máa fi pariwo lórí rédíò káwọn pẹ́ ìlẹ́sìn àwọn èèyàn ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ ẹ́ pé this thing ló ṣe is a true talent hunt. If you have your talent, you have to develop it. And how do you develop your talent? It is through this by exhibiting and showcasing your talent. This project is into phases. Number one, we are going to do what we call auditioning. Because we are going to prototype ideas about the discourse within this little time. That's in the way that she price will buy. Where you put it not reform. You want also the gas will reduce depending on this crowd who are willing to understand. So by the time we conclude our committee and the project again, then we will now be able to say, okay, this is where we are going. We are going to do the auditioning. After the auditioning, we now go to the real reality show. The real reality show, just like it is being done by the conveners of the Nigeria Idol, Great Talent, West Nigeria, and others. So that will be on 13 weeks on television. We will be everything like they do it at the end of the day. And to my one win the prize to which is 3 million naira, a car and a trip to United States. Then we have other finalists. So we are here so that everybody will now go home to sensitize and enlighten their followers or their members rather. That is the conclusion. What our shame by with good credibility. Because if you are putting up this project, because you must have imbibed of integrity. Because integrity crisis, common shares when we are project very important. So that is why we have to come up with this level. We have to talk to people, we have to enlighten them, we have to sensitize them, and we have to get them informed. So that is just the essence of the project. The project is a long-term project. We are starting now. It may not end up until next year. Because we still be on television for about 13-15 weeks to every people after the auditioning in Ibadan, Abeokuta, Lagos, Osun, Ondo, Ekiti. After all this auditioning, we are now get finalists. So the man shaking it, I want to get back on television for the Osun better. So, this is Talent on Nigeria. Thank you.
Maybe I will start from my end, Abi. My question has to do with the number of contestants you expected. I want to know the number. They want also know the organizer of this event and how many weeks period will they last?
We cannot really specify the number of contestants that will be coming in because it is open to all, and the form is 3,500. So it depends on the number of people that register because it is a Southwest affair for now. Then we are expecting at least 2,000 contestants. You understand? Then the project will last for about, the funds will be sold for 3 months. Then we'll have another, after the auditioning, which will last for 2 months. Then we'll have another 3 months. That will be making about 8 months, at least, for the project to end. That is just to answer the question. Thank you.
I'd like to know, my name is Sheye Ojo from the Sun Newspapers. Please, we'd like to know what is in for the winners.
Meanwhile, I've earlier said it, that the winner will catch home with 3 million naira, a car, and a trip to the United States of America, to USA. The owner, the convener of the project, the person that conceptualized this project is based in the US, is Victor Adebayo, CEO Jakadi Entertainment Family in Texas. So, and he has promised that the winner will have a trip, a recording trip, not to stay in America anyway, a recording trip to America, 3 million naira cash and a car. Sir? No, that one is, I don't know that. I can't answer that. But a recording trip might last 1 month, 2 weeks, or what have you. I can't say. Victor Adebayo. And the third, we cut home with 1.5 million naira. Then, other finalists, 5 other finalists will go home with brand new laptop and other consolatory prizes, like generator and what have you for others. But every person that crossed to the final level, to the reality show that will be on TV, every person we have a price, at least, no matter how little. That one is standard. Then, although we are bringing in some multinational companies, Global Cup has played along with us, but we are still we are here because we have a very good relationship with Nigerian breweries. So they too will be coming in, and even this option 247s will be participating. They have been encouraging us, and they keep encouraging us. That is why we are here today. Thank you.
He said this program is to encourage the unknown talent. It's a hunting, and 3 persons are to be selected if you can find 2,000 people to register. What is the fate of the 1,997 contestants? What is their fate?
That in contests like this, it has always been like that. Even the great talents, 10,000 people register for great talents. At the end of the day, we saw only 3 people. Because I was there live. I was at EcoSuit live to watch the finals of great talent. So, if you put in money now to register, and at the end of the day, maybe you are a loser, you will still continue. One day you will be a winner. It has always been like that. Everybody cannot be a winner, and everybody cannot be a loser. That is just it. Thank you.
With the National Lottery Commission. Yes.
We have a very good relationship with them. We have met with them, and we have, after meeting with them, very close to this place anyway, after our meeting with them, they have given us their conditions, and we are up to that condition. We are meeting up with the condition already, so that we have to have the money in the bank, everything that has to do with condition of National Lottery Commission for licensing to do the project has been done. Thank you. It has been approved by National Lottery Commission.
Kì í ṣe irú orin kan náà. Ìgbà tá wá sọ pé a fẹ́ dá nǹkan yìí pọ̀, hip hop artist wà ńbẹ̀, jùjú wà ńbẹ̀, fuji wà ńbẹ̀, bí n ṣe ń fojú inú wò, gospel singer náà wà ńbẹ̀. Ṣé ìgbà tá bá wá sọ yìí pé oníjùjú àtòní fuji dìjọ kọrin pọ̀, àwa lẹ́nìkan ló ṣe pò kíní, ẹnìkan ló ṣe pò kejì. Ṣé a máa mú pò kíní nínú onífuji ni, a máa mú pò kíní nínú oníjùjú, a dẹ̀ máa mú pò kíní nínú hip hop artist? Ìbéèrè tèmi fẹ́ béèrè ni.
Nígbà tí ẹni tó ní idea yìí wá tó mú wá bá mi, hip hop artist ló ń focus, but nígbà tí mo wá wo program kan tó ń pè ní Great Talent, àwọn Redeem ló ṣe program yẹn. It was on here for about 18 weeks, and I followed the program in-depthly. So nígbà tí mo wá follow program, wá rí pé àwọn kan kọrin, àwọn kan jó, àwọn kan tàkìtì, oríṣiríṣi, àwọn kan ta jìtá, wọ́n ṣáà ní every talent, wọ́n fi pè ní great talent. Mo rẹ̀ rí pé iṣẹ́ entertainment à ń ṣe lénìí, lóòótọ́ Ọlọ́run fún wa lẹ́yìn opportunity láti kàwé. Ṣùgbọ́n tó wà ń bẹ̀ ni pé despite pé a jẹ́ journalist nígbà yẹn, àwọn tá a tẹ̀lé jù, àwọn ní Fuji ni. A dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mo rẹ̀ tún lé opportunity láti tún ṣiṣẹ́ díẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn Nigerian breweries lórí Fuji tó bam. at least méjì mo bá wọn participate ń bẹ̀ dáadáa. Mo á wò pé àwọn ní fújì náà wọ́n lẹ́bùn oníjùjú lẹ́bùn tá a bá wò ó àwa kọ́ là ń decide because this program a máa ní àwọn judges tó jẹ́ pé they are of international repute àwọn celebrity láàrin wa tá a ní máa dárúkọ ní Ìbàdàn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ la máa invite tó máa jẹ́ judges àwọn ló máa wo inspiration because music is not about what you sing it's not about you are singing bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀ ń kọrin lóyìnbó ni àbẹ́ ẹ̀ ń kọrin Yorùbá ni but the inspiration the feelings òun là ń pè ní music nígbà tá a bá dẹ̀ ti rí àwọn inspiration tó ń rí feelings yẹn ló máa determine ẹni tó máa ṣe kò kíní fújì lè gbàgbọ́ kíní hip hop wà ń bẹ̀ tá a bá wo àbúrò wa Pasuma lẹ́ni most of is a Fuji musician but today is even rated among one of the best hip hop artists ó dẹ̀ jó ire fún Fuji so gbé ti wọnú ara wọn àwọn hip hop náà tábà débi kan náà wọ́n nígbà tó bá ti fẹ́ rí àwọn èèyàn tó ní hip hop kì í pẹ́ àwọn náà fi Fuji sí wọ́n á jù ní Fuji level àwọn èèyàn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa jó so gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wọnú ara wọn so a máa mú ipò kíní àmọ́ bọ́lá ṣe máa decide ẹ̀ but àwọn judges máa wà ń bẹ̀ thank you ẹ ṣé.
gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀yin náà ṣe sọ́nsìn ẹni àwọn Nigerian beauty tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe Fuji tó bá ìgbà tó di last year wọ́n fi jùjú sí wọ́n ṣe ní àríyá rẹpẹtẹ ẹ̀ báyẹn ṣe program yẹn náà pé ṣe ni pé wọ́n mú first second third nínú Fuji o wọ́n mú first second third nínú jùjú ṣẹ́rìsà mo lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí mo kí gbogbo ẹni tó wà lórí ìjókòó ìwòye ká sọ pé ká kó gbogbo orin pọ̀ iṣẹ́ tí ò ṣe é kọ́ ni iṣẹ́ orin ẹ̀bùn látọ̀run wá ni àìmọye èèyàn lórin máa ń hù ń kọ táwọn pé kí n dẹ̀jọ́ lórin even tó bá kàwé ju báírò lọ kò lè tọ́lọ́run bá fi ràn kò ní ṣótiyé kò wá ní á fẹ́ rí bákan tí ẹ máa kàn pé kàn kọ́ gbogbo orin pọ̀ ẹ kàn sọ pé tálápàlà mi bá ń kọ àpàlà ẹ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ kó dákẹ́ mọ́ ẹni tí ò bá gbá pàlà rí ó lè jẹjọ́ tó gbọ́ lẹ́rẹ̀ láwọn pé àpàlà yìí dùn ṣá mi ì gbọ́ rí àkọ́kọ́ rè tó ní jújú mi bá ń kọrin ẹ̀ ní bí kán mọ́ kó má gbórin mi létí ara ẹ̀ mọ́ ní jùjùjú ẹ̀ lọ tó bá dẹ̀ tó ń sún síwájú tó bá rí tó ní jàlá bá tó ń sùn jàlá a ní àṣẹ ẹ̀bùn kò pín síbì kan tó bá tó ń sún síwájú bó jẹ́ jẹ́ pé Fuji káàkiri àgbà ńlá ayé náà ti ń gbọ́ so ẹ̀ wá ní jọ̀jẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ní jàlá mo fẹ́ kẹ́ tún àárín yẹn kẹ́ wo àárín yẹn dáadáa Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó bàjẹ́.
ẹ lẹ́yìn pàtó fáwọn ṣáàmà wa nǹkan tí mo fi fẹ́ràn àwọn ṣáàmà wa ni pé Ọlọ́run fún ọ ní ọgbọ́n àti òye ṣe wá rí ọgbọ́n àti òye tọ́lọ́run fún yín yẹn kò wá ní parẹ́ ọpọlọ yóò ní dọ́bà wọ́n ṣàlàyé yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lè sọ yẹn ó wọ̀ mí lákínyẹmí ara èmi náà ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí màá dẹ̀ gbégbé sẹ́lẹ̀ a máa pe àwọn ọ̀gá wa tó wá láti Amúlùdùn FM kí n gbé ọ̀rọ̀ àbúrò mi ní o ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀gá mi náà tún ní wà àwọn náà.
iye àwa níbí wọ́n fẹ́ kẹ́ concentrate sir torí pé tá a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀bùn ìtòrọ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀bùn ó pọ̀ àkọ́kọ́ ẹ má bínú pé mi ò kí torí pé mi ò mọ slongers tó rọ̀ mọ́ bàbá ní ọ́fíìmù mímọ́ kínní kan ẹ mọ̀ iṣẹ́ kálukú wa ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má bínú nítorí àwọn ni ó dà pé wọ́n ṣagbátẹrù ohun tí à ń ṣe tá a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé ṣíṣe àwárí ẹ̀bùn ìjókòó tèmi níbí pẹ̀lú sísà mi tá a ń sọ ń bì béèyàn bá ṣàwárí ẹ̀bùn ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó ní agbára pọ̀ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì sà mi ò fẹ́ kí ẹni tó gbé prógámù yìí kalẹ̀ kí àwọn èèyàn wò ó at the end of the program ibi ẹni tí ò ní òye àbí ẹni tí òye kù sí tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó fún the reason why tí mo fi wí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wípé béèyàn bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa responsibility for relationship àwọn kan wà tí ó ní agbára ṣíṣe àwárí ẹ̀bùn ọ̀nà wo la fẹ́ fi irú àwọn ẹ̀bùn wo la fẹ́ ṣe àwárí inú ayé àwọn èèyàn wo láti fẹ́ wá jáde ọ̀nà wo la fẹ́ fi gbà ran àwọn èèyàn tí a bá ṣàwárí ẹ̀bùn lára wọn lọ́wọ́ ọ̀nà wo ni wọ́n fẹ́ gbà fi wúlò fún àwùjọ ó jẹ́ àwọn nǹkan tó rọ̀ mọ́ ṣíṣàwárí ẹ̀bùn àkọ́kọ́ inú mi dùn pé àwọn oní Fuji wà ń bì ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dánilé ayé sì ni ẹ fẹ́ràn táyé ọ̀fẹ́ràn Kẹ́hìndé ni ìtọ́ba wù kálukú ìní ó dìrọ̀ mọ́ ní ìsìn tẹ́ni wá gbé kalẹ̀ pé first second third first 3 million second 2 million third ọ̀yà generator àbí fíríjì ọlọ́mọjà gba priority lọ so ṣùgbọ́n tí mo fẹ́ dì mọ́ ni pé sí láàrin àwọn onífújì for example nígbà tèmi àti Don síjọ amúnita jókòó ń bẹ̀ wọn láwọn ìwé kan wà ní Ẹ̀fàlásìn tẹ́ pé Ọlọ́run ràn wá lọ láti gbé wọn dìde ní ìsìn àwọn náà ti jẹ́ èèyàn láàrin àwọn fújì àwọn tí wọ́n ń kọ àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tí wọ́n ní ẹ̀bùn orin tá à ń pè ní fújì tí wọ́n ń káàkiri àwọn occasion kọ̀ọ̀kan àwọn èèyàn la fẹ́ ṣàwárí ni kí àwọn tí wọ́n ti dàgbà ní iṣẹ́ fújì ń rí pé ní fún ọjọ́ ọ̀la àwọn incoming generation wọn o ọkàn àwọn balẹ̀ lé lórí kí wọ́n wá ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì láàrin àwọn jùjú ni àbí láàrin àwọn ní hip hop lẹ́yìn eléyìí ọ̀tán ká wá wò ó tọ́wọ́ pé àwa fẹ́ kó ní àkólúpọ̀ bí àsìkò yìí ìbá ni èmi ò bá ní bóyá tẹ́ bá padà jókòó kẹ́ ẹ padà jókòó lé pé níta kó kalẹ̀ yìí o níta náà fẹ́ fàyọ bóò ni ó ṣe di mímọ̀ tí ò ní padà dá wàhálà alẹ̀ láàrin àwọn jùjú láàrin àwọn fújì àárín àwọn ní hip hop torí pé ẹ̀yẹ fẹ́ jẹ́ kí àsọyé pọ̀ kó wà ló jẹ́ kí n lò pé responsibility for relationship àwọn nǹkan tó rọ̀ mọ́ ó lágbára pọ̀ tá a bá ń sọ nípa ẹ̀bùn torí nípa ẹ̀bùn ìní àwọn tó ní ẹ̀bùn ewì ìní wọ́n wà àwọn tí wọ́n ní ẹ̀bùn jàlá for example like my daddy tí wọ́n jókòó yìí tí wọ́n bá ní wọ́n kéwì ní ìsìn àwọn tó máa kẹ́rò pé Kẹ́hìndé Àlàdé Abẹ̀rù Àgbà ni àbí Fẹ́mi Ògúnyẹmí Ológbùrò sórí irú àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀bùn náà ni àwọn tó sì ń sun èrè mọ̀jẹ́ ẹkún ìyàwó gbogbo yún ẹ̀bùn náà ni so táwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ń kọ fújì tí èmi ti bá fẹ́ kéwì ní ìsìnbádéwájú ohun fújì tí òfin ní mọ̀ wò mí bí novice wípé àbá ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́ ti ń ṣiṣá ṣẹlẹ̀bùn náà sì ni so gbogbo yún ni mo fẹ́ kí ẹgbẹ́ ìjókòó kíní ilé lórí pé sí gbogbo èèyàn tó ní ẹ̀bùn ni kí wọ́n wá o ìbá àjẹpẹ́ bùn bíi bàbá wa tí wọ́n máa sun ẹkún ìyàwó táwọn náà bá débi nísìn àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ pé ẹ̀bùn tí wọ́n o ẹkún ìyàwó ni òun fújì o so tí ẹni tí ń sun ìjálá bó lẹ́sẹ̀ mú first second third láwùjọ àwọn ìjálá àwọn eléwì àwọn ìyẹ̀rẹ̀fá tí èdórí àwọn fújì tí èdórí àwọn jùjú tí èdórí àwọn oní hip hop tí èdórí àwọn oúnjẹ òbílẹ̀ tí èdórí àwọn oúnjẹ ìgbàlódé civilization dancer gbogbo irú àwọn èèyàn àwọn ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ké àjòkó lé lórí ká tó wá bọ́ sí stepping 2 táwọn èèyàn bá obtain form sí under the audition síbẹ̀ láti ọkọ̀ mọ́ ẹja wọn ni wípé ẹ̀bùn tiẹ̀ ó capable fún tá à ń wá àbí kò ìtumọ̀ lọ fún rí àsáǹso títí tí wàá fi kún ojú òṣùwọ̀n ẹ̀ tàn mọ́lẹ̀ sí torí ìgbà tí hip hop bá gbé jáde a ò think bákan náà ìrònú wa kọ́ ẹ pé ní ọ̀dà wà lálẹ́ sí programu Ìlọrin ẹ má bínú sá.
ìbéèrè yín yẹn ó kúnjú wọn ó dẹ̀ mo appreciate ẹ̀ naturally ṣe mi pé òyìnbó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ kan nobody is perfect everyday land bá ṣe wá síbi purpose tá a fi ṣe pálí ni pé ká lè jọ ìgbà tí mo fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo ní ká cross fertilize idea ìyẹn ni pé ká jọ exchange idea ká jọ sọ̀rọ̀ ká wo ibi tí à ń lọ lórí ètò ṣùgbọ́n ètò yìí ti dúró gbogbo tí ń jẹ́ ti Ọlọ́run ṣé ẹ rí naturally tẹ́ bá wo bánà tó wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn ti rí pé àwọn tó lè participate náà àwọn Fuji hip hop juju traditional music gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà ń bẹ̀ wọ́n tó bá lẹ́wọ̀ traditional music ó lè participate ṣùgbọ́n gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn ọ̀gá wa ṣe sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn ibi táwọn máa ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí ni pé how do we now differentiate pé okay are we going to give this price on hip hop are we going to separate all the sectors of the music pé hip hop máa dá dúró ni o kìnìún kan máa dá dúró ni o kìnìún kan máa dá dúró ni ìyẹn la máa ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí number one if it will work like that we let it go like that if it won't work like that we let you know ẹ ṣe gbọ́ sá so gbogbo tá a wá ṣe mí náà ni pé àwa kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ni so mo dẹ̀ wípé lágbára Ọlọ́run kò ní dí wàhálà kankan lẹ̀ nítorí pé nǹkan tí a fẹ́ ṣàwárí ẹ̀bùn láti lè jẹ́ kó dáa torí pé most of Nigerian youths they are jobless and most of Nigerian youths are talented but because they don't have the opportunity ẹ wọ́n wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nǹkan tó máa ń bí mi lójú láyé ni pé àwọn èèyàn máa sọ pé Fẹ́mi Akínwákí ń ṣe ń bàdàn máa bọ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa bọ̀ Michael Jackson ò ever gbé ní New York City rí mi ò dé Amẹ́ríkà yìí lóòótọ́ ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ lẹ́yìn tó yẹ kó mọ̀ nípa entertainment pé Michael Jackson gbé ní New York City and he was known all over the world. It's not when you come to Lagos if we are waiting till when we be in Lagos to become stars we will just be wondering. We can be in Ibadan when we have tábà bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹrú kan báyìí tábà dẹ̀ rí àwọn èèyàn tó encourage wa tí ò sí àbòsí ń bẹ̀ tá fara balẹ̀ tá jọ encourage ara wa tá gbé kíní dúró àwa náà máa ṣe kíní a máa showcase àwọn èèyàn láti Ìbàdàn bí and they will become international stars. We can bring out international stars from Ibadan. So ìyẹn jẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́ pé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí atọ́kùn presenter wa sọ a máa ṣiṣẹ́ lórí bá ṣe máa separate traditional music from Fuji music to gospel music and to hip hop music. Thank you. Ẹ ṣé.
Orúkọ mi ni Nurudeen Adegbola from the Jagaban TV. Mo rí pé nígbà tí à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa talent láti àárọ̀, mo rí pé gbogbo nǹkan tí à ń sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí ojú bóyá àwọn olórin musician. Kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ ní fún bóyá bí àwọn artist drama ṣá?
For now, nísìnyí program tá à ń ṣe orin nìkan ló wà fún, kò tí ì sí drama ń bẹ, but wá dọjọ́ iwájú a lè sọ, a lè move síwájú fún yẹn. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́.
Guided as Ijakadi family. One now, sir. This concept is guided as Ijakadi family entertainment. It is not developmental kinikan. It's not English. It's Yoruba. All right, so lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹ sọ wípé ẹ fẹ́ fi promote Yoruba culture ni. So if you now come now that you want to differentiate or discriminate between one genre of music, be it Fuji or hip hop, I think it is better for you if you can use music. I would agree. Use hip hop to promote Yoruba culture. Someone can use Fuji to promote English culture. I'm of the opinion, èmi náà má bàa tó wọn ṣe mi suggestion wa, anything you can use music to do, be it Ijala, be it hip hop, be it Fuji, be it R&B, to promote Yoruba culture should be a criteria, one. And secondly, any wo 2,000 people for registration for consultants and then one meta, if you are to develop Southwest Nigeria in regards to talent, to develop our economy, to reduce all these problems we have in society, I think you should have some programs for the 1,997 to win, so that they can be developed again in one way or the other, so that they will not be useless. It's a suggestion, sir.
That question, ṣe díẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n there is nobody that will be useless, because we are all trying to grow. Like you said, we will still think of a way to encourage the youths. Every participant, if you don't win today, you will win tomorrow. But that does not mean we will not encourage them. Not just 3 people that will take a prize anyway. We have consolatory prize for others. I want to win a Bunganuri project, 150. Because if you are among the finalists, gbogbo àwọn tó wà ní finalist tó jẹ́ kó máa ṣe reality show yẹn, gbogbo wọn ló máa gba ẹ̀bùn kúrò ńbẹ̀. So kò ní sí pé ẹnìkan kò gba ẹ̀bùn, ìyẹn ò sí ńbẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ó yẹ pé auditioning, àwọn tó bá ti já auditioning ti já nìyẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tó bá wọ finalist, ìbàjẹ́ 100 ni wọ́n, gbogbo wọn ló máa ní consolatory prize tó máa gbà. That answers the question. Ẹ ṣé.
Ladies and gentlemen, I heard about this program very late. Not until I got here, I didn't know what I am about to meet in this gathering. But immediately I read this invitation paper, I could see Talent Hunter Nigeria conceptualized and packaged by Ijakadi family. I want to ask Mr. Femi Akinwa. Actually, Mr. Femi Akinwa is not, we've been together for quite a long time, decades. And is noted to be a promoter of musicians, the talented one. Even before this one came up. I think we are listening.
Yes, sir. I'm with you, sir.
So, but now I want to ask a question.
Yes, sir.
Entertainment stationed in USA. Now, USA, are they dependent that will be controlling this, or who is their ambassador in Nigeria? 1. 2, what will be the benefits of the participants? Those artists, either you will be a exponent or Fuji musician, hip hops or akpala, whatsoever. An artist is an artist. But I had a question there. They have said it all on that. Maybe they want to separate it or want to do it together. I don't know. But what will be the benefit of those participants, the artists? 1, where do you want to get all this money? Is it through the registration from our people, the participants, or that money will come up from somewhere else? Are you listening, sir? You are not, oh? I'm listening, sir. So that is number 2. Number 3. Do you have a location for, like an office? If I want to see you as the director of this organization, how will I know, or the people who are present here, to know the location and the office of this grace whatsoever? Is it in an hotel, or you have got a very standby office for every individual who want to participate on this program. That is 3. 4, sir. If you don't answer all my questions if you don't answer incessantly, we will fight. So when I got here, I saw many faces here, and I was very happy because there are people who are very versatile on their professional line. I could see some musicians, noted one, recognized one. I could see some pressmen who are there before me. I'm not talking about the age now, but the experience. That guy who's sitting down over there. So those are the 3 questions I'm asking. What will be the benefit of those participants? Where do you want to get your money? Your location when you start. Is it from London or America? You are noted to be a promoter, yes. And you are second to none. You and Mr. Gbenga Olotu, during the period of this NTA whatsoever, even Wasiu Ayinde can never forget Femi Akinriwa when you made him the king of Fuji. And that king of Fuji since then is still maintaining it till tomorrow. King Wasiu Ayinde is still the king of music. If we don't want to deceive ourselves, yes. When we talk of achievement and knowledge, interaction, and connections, whatever, connection in Nigeria now. So this I pray. If I don't know yet, not until you start, I used to look things deeply before I could say I'm a member. Up to now, I'm not yet. I must tell you this. So when you start and I see the program you have for us, then I will say, okay, I can bold enough to tell you that I'm a member. And you know me, if I love somebody, when we talk of promotion or whatsoever, in my own capacity, I will do my best. But I want to know the 3 questions, and I want to answer that question here now. Thank you, sir.
I've known Alhaji for about 30 years now, and we have deeply worked together. And I appreciate your commendation about me. It is highly noted. The questions are not far-fetched to answer, but I want to recognize the presence of my big brother, Dele Bravo. Now, the person, what Alhaji is asking, many people have asked me that questions. I want to be lọ́wọ́ mi lóríṣiríṣi pé àwọn kan wà ní America wọ́n ló ń promote ní Nàìjíríà kí ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó fi kíní kan kó wa lómi ọbẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àbí kan oríṣiríṣi là ń gbọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n all things being equal, the guy is sincere. The guy is honest. If the guy is not sincere, you understand? I'm just a consultant to him. Somebody introduced me to him, and the person is known to everybody here. His name is Komi Jasin. He's a big-time Fuji musician in Ibadan here. He was the one when he was searching for somebody that could help him to take over this project. Komi Jasin mentioned me, and he called Rashida Ayinde, and Rashida Ayinde recommended me again. And he said, okay, Egbon, about handle project, Aveshiba. Can't let try, cannot let invest in entertainment in Nigeria. Olumangbe calling to Los America. Oh no, Omangbe Rashidi Los America, Omangbe Los America, Shubon. Can't match in America, and can't let no fair para wasileni. So that was the reason why he said he's coming home, at least to participate, to partner, and to assist musicians, upcoming musicians, to travel abroad, to empower them through their inborn tendency. That one with the talent. That is just to answer that question. Then where are we sourcing this money? Project Joko. When you're talking of budget for this project, we'll be talking of a budget of about 15 million. It's not a small budget. So nobody, if you are selling 2,000, 3,000 forms, it cannot go anywhere. But we have been discussing with multinational companies. They are the people that will be coming in. Then the money will also be sourced through VastNet. I want to mention Evit. These are the places where we are sourcing for money, and already we have been discussing with Globalcom, and they have been showcasing their interest to be part of this project. That was why we are so bold enough to call a press conference to tell the world that I want to and do have to participate so that at the end of the day, láti ibi kan ló ti máa wá through multinational company ni, it cannot just be from the firms, because the money for the firm gan yẹn gbọ́dọ̀ fọwọ́ kan ó gbọ́dọ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ ni, because if the project is going to fail, you can tell bank to froze that account, then you give people their money back. But all things being equal, already we have àti dúró àti foundation wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ní òun ní foundation wa ní Globalcom táwọn náà lè sọ pé okay àwọn máa ràn wá lọ́wọ́ tó bá ti dé stage tó yẹ ká dé tá bá ti parí audition ni, because they cannot come on board now. There's nothing to advertise, there's nothing to tell the world. It is when we are on air táwọn èèyàn ń rí tí global tí wọ́n rí tó lè ṣe advert wọn ìgbà yẹn tó lè participate. So far so good, we are still online and the project will be on board. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. This is my question, sir. During the program, are you going to cater, to responsible for their feeding and accommodation? Are you going to give them accommodation, them feeding the contestants?
That's a very good. I appreciate that question. Matila Udro, ìbéèrè tó ń béèrè yẹn is a very good question. Ṣé ẹ rí ó yẹ kó yé wa pé a máa máa kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ni. You understand? Lè fi. That is why when you say you don't want to read, you have to develop yourself. Even at 60, mo wà ní law school l'Abuja ní nígbà tó ń call àwọn kan to bar. An 80-year-old man was called to bar. He said he wanted to be a lawyer. If he's going to be a lawyer today and die today, and the man became a lawyer at 80. So there is no harm in learning. The question, not to answer the question, we are going to house them at UI. After all the auditioning, we are not going to house anybody doing auditioning. We will do audition in option 247 here. Yeah? We will do that of Lagos at Fela Shrine at the Sanwo already. We will do that of Abeokuta at Edwin Hall. You understand? Tabatu wa ṣe auditioning yẹn tán, àwọn finalists yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ 50 bẹ́ẹ̀ 100 ni wọ́n. We now house them at University of Ibadan. Ibẹ̀ ni a ti máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ gangan tó jẹ́ eviction. Tó máa evict wọn through phone. Some mama you won't till the last man standing. So they will be accommodated. There will be time for rehearsals. There will be a standard live band. There will be judges. Around the judges were not for one point around Dele Bravo. Shola Alisima around judges wa lobenye ti idite fi Dele Bravo million nìyẹn o around to my judge torí pé on kàwé o de tún mọ̀ nípa music dáadáa. So that is why you see some artists here. We see Siju Amoni here too. He has a role to play. Everybody, that is why we say stakeholders meeting. It's not just a press briefing, it's a stakeholders meeting. You want to be involved. As a judge, so I'm a house you want. They will be housed till the last day. That answered the question. Eshema. Already a little bit will come in because already we have a discussion with NTA, we have a discussion with DSTV. So there will be a channel. That is why you are having people from Star Times are here. That is why they are here today. They are stakeholders too. We have a discussion with Star Times. It's going to be on NTA, Star Times, and DSTV. So people will be everything. But NTA on Thursday, Star Time on Friday. DSTV on Monday. We can until this time here, but it's going to be on here, and the eviction will take place like that. Yeah, that is it.
Good afternoon, everyone. Uncle has spoken very well. Uncle, you have spoken very well. Everybody knows that you are a veteran journalist, a man of integrity. Even though I got to know about this program yesterday, but really the question I want to ask, a lot of people have asked the question, but I have one particular one that I want to throw to you. We've seen a lot of reality shows on cable channels whereby someone will emerge as a winner, but after a couple of years, you get to hear nothing about the winner anymore. So what are you trying to do to ensure that if at the end of the day you have a winner, to monitor the person, to help him or her to go far in he or his career? So what are the programs we have for such, the plan you have for people? Thank you.
That's a very good question. You are going to ask question, my daughter. Everybody here today, intellectually, they are very, very able. That question is a very good question. And naturally, most of the people that become winners in most reality shows, they fade off after 1 year. Not even after a year, you don't hear about them again because they lack management planning. They don't have management acumen. That is why in this reality show, this guy, all the first, second, third, they will be on management of this outfit for good 5 years. This outfit will be releasing their records, managing them, getting them shows, giving them necessary publicity, and everything that entails management. So that after 5 years, the artist can move on with his life.
My name is Obidike Favor. We are a dancer. So the man he didn't say about dance. So I was I am Obidike Favor. Okay. We are a dancer. So you didn't talk about dance. So I want to ask that when are they going to start distributing the form, and when is the show going to start?
Dancer, and she mentioned that dance was not inclusive in all what we have been saying today, and dance is part of, it's a talent, it's an inborn tendency. At least when you see people dancing, I can really appreciate you because number one, I think you're the shaman. Emma low, Emma. As a dancer, though it was not included, but because you are here and you have really taken your time, I think I will discuss with the visioneer to include dance into the project so that you two can participate. Maybe we know how to create that area, but I will discuss with him. He will give the final answer to that. Thank you.